And
So let me
get back on our feet.
I understand all of that, but let me ask you a question. Just to fill in the gaps, right? So is it true what she said that you're supposed to give her $400?
No, that was never an agreement.
Okay, hold on. So was there any agreement for you to give her any money to financially support your children?
She said to.
No, that was a yes or no?
Not in that way. Not in that way.
So explain the way.
So when we talked initially, before even moving in, it was, y'all just come, just take your time, get yourself together. I got you guys. I got my grandbabies.
She always wanted grandkids. Now she's the one raising them. Was it out of love, or was she taken advantage of? He says there was never a real agreement. But she says 3 years of raising them was never meant to be temporary. As the case goes on, the judge hears every excuse fall apart. What happens next shocks everyone in the room. Don't miss it.
Who she was very instrumental in, I want grandbabies, I want grandbabies, I want grandbabies, I want grandbabies, I want grandbabies. So I'm giving you the opportunity.
So because she's instrumental in wanting grandbabies, that means that she has to take care of them too?
It doesn't mean she has to take. I'm saying she's not telling the full story how it is. It was never an agreement on a dollar amount of being able to help. It's just do what you can when you can.
So was there ever an agreement for it to be a temporary?
He says he wanted to move, but wasn't allowed to take the kids. She says he's just pretending to be the victim. Emotions run high, and things get tense. But the judge isn't fooled. It's no longer about feelings. It's about facts. What happens next surprises everyone in the courtroom.
I would say it's no longer temporary, but in the moments where I would say, you know what, I'm gonna do what I can to see what I can to get, it was her, the one that was talking about, oh, that's not a good place for my grandbabies. You don't need to take them over there. And I worry about y'all's safety over there, and that's too far, and that'll be taking them out of their environment.
So are you, and please just stop beating on the table.
I'm sorry.
All of that is not necessary. I can assure you it's not.
Just emotional a little bit.
I understand. Y'all need to calm down, all right?
I can't believe I'm even here. This is ridiculous.
Well, this is where you come when you want some relief. When you are wanting certain things to happen, you come to court to take care.
Losing his job changed everything. Now she calls him a burden. Is she helping out of love or using it to control him? Their relationship is falling apart, and 2 young boys are stuck in the middle. The courtroom goes quiet. Then the judge asks a question that could change everything, and no one is ready for it. It's
unfortunate that the 2 of you couldn't work it out because you're mother and daughter, but this is where you come, right? So do you have any intentions of moving out and taking your children, or are you going to move out yourself and leave the children with her?
I mean, she knows what the situation is. I mean, when I was working, which she knows at this point that there was a huge layoff because of COVID and why I started doing hair in the first place to try and make amends. So for her to sit over here talking about, oh, I got all these jobs and I got all this finance coming in at this point, it's just ridiculous. And it just shows to, just how low she'll stoop to how she behaves and how she acts.
Keeps avoiding the real question. Will he take care of his kids or walk away again? She's tired, and the judge has had enough. As he keeps dodging, the final decision gets closer. What happens next will change everything. Subscribe for more real courtroom stories.